Hey, this is totally unexpected, but apparently DJT, so Donald Trump's Truth Social, may be interested in acquiring BAKKT crypto. That's BAKKT crypto. Now, back in the day, like the heyday, the last cycle around when we hit 69,000, like 420, 3 years ago or whatever, BAKKT crypto actually had an app on the iPhone App Store, and I remember downloading it and investing, I don't know, I think it was $1,000 into the BAKKT app, and we were playing around with the app. We're like, oh, this is kind of cool, because it was a SPAC back then, so it was part of the SPAC mania, the blank check companies, they take these small cap companies public or whatever. Well, this company was trading for somewhere around $100 million in market cap as of about an hour ago. Actually, probably less than an hour ago at this point. And that's because the company loses like $25 to $50 million per quarter. I think their app got delisted from the App Store, just in the whole crypto regulation world or whatever. But now the stock has more than doubled. And one of the reasons the stock has more than doubled in just the last few minutes is because now, and BAKKT mentioned this back in June, that they were open to a potential sale, but nobody knew potentially to whom. I mean, you got plenty of crypto apps, Moomoo, Crypto.com, Coinbase, whatever. But now there's a rumor that Truth Social might buy it, which is really crazy because now you're basically integrating the president of the United States and his company, potentially having crypto services either built into Truth Social or X. More on that in a moment. But then also being able to, from the other side, open the pathways to regulation. Gary Gensler's quitting. You're going to expect shakeups at the SEC, maybe even people quitting, new regulation and pathways for on-ramps, off-ramps, fundraising through crypto, maybe even tokenizing real estate in a way that, the SEC isn't going to sue everybody for. It's probably why the BAKKT app is gone anyway. There's probably just plenty of lawsuits or whatever. And so what's remarkable is this could actually, now going back to Twitter, X, this could actually connect to Elon Musk's payment platform plans. Think about this for a moment. There's talk that Truth Social and X might somehow form a partnership or merge. Well, Elon Musk has always talked about making X a financial services payment platform because X was his original idea for the name for PayPal. He went with PayPal, ended up selling that. After that, got into, SpaceX, and then eventually Tesla and otherwise. Well, think about like the synergy you have now potentially between, and then we'll talk about what this actually means for that SPAC, the stock. Think about the potential synergies. Truth Social, the power of X and social, and now a financial services payment platform. They've got the infrastructure built out. They really just need the regulatory clearance and the funding. Well, funding is going to come from the stock skyrocketing, but also potentially Elon Musk and, Truth Social, the money that they've raised. The stock has done very well, Truth Social, especially leading up to Trump's presidency. And we've got past the lockups now, which is great. That pushed it all the way down to like $11, which is wild. And then the potential partnership with Elon. There are like endless opportunities here. So basically people are just kind of like swipe upping, market ordering right now, BAKKT. Just be careful. This is just a rumor right now. So like if the rumor dies, the stock is just going to collapse back to a $100 million market cap. So just know that's roughly where it was before. So if for some reason tomorrow this is trading at like 10x and it's trading at $1 billion, just realize it could go down 90%. Like instantaneously if this doesn't go through, too many conflict of interest issues, whatever. I do suspect there are going to be a lot of COI issues, conflict of interest issues, mostly because you're already getting talk about some senators, even Republicans, grumbling that like, Elon's getting a little too close and he's not part of government, and you're going to get more and more of that. So just know between now and Inauguration Day, there's going to be a lot of speculative sort of hopium trading, which is fine, like go make money. But just know it can flip very quickly to the downside if those plans don't pan out. But yeah, just to be very clear, they are a crypto service platform. I'm pretty sure they still have $1,000 in mine. I wonder what it's worth now. I should go check, but I can't because there's no app, so I'll have to figure that out. But anyway, BAKKT, lose money like crazy. They were looking for a sale because they were basically going to go bankrupt. And now there's a rumor that DJT might get involved in acquiring them. Crazy world. This Trump presidency gets more and more entertaining every day.